In this video, we are going to see how we can pay for all the accrued expenses or bills payable from the last year. So we have completed this sheet 1 where we have fully implemented the system. That means we have entered the chart of accounts along with the balances. We have entered the customers with balances, and same goes for suppliers and inventory. And also we have configured the bill of materials or the recipe management system. Now this means that we are live on the system. From now on, we perform all the day-to-day operations directly in Odoo. So on 1st of January, we have the transaction of accrued expenses paid by cash. And if you see the first sheet, we must have some accrued expenses from the last year, that is bills payable, and now we are clearing that liability. So we are paying it by cash. Very simple treatment. We just use the journal entry. Just head over to accounting and click on the accounting, click on journal entries and click on new. From here, the reference is automatically defined at the top, but for your internal reference, you can use any of that if you want to, or otherwise you can just copy and paste this. The date of transaction is 1st of January. So let's make it 1st of January. It goes under miscellaneous operations. So nothing is defined as the debit and credit at the back end. So it's ideal for the journal entries. Click on add line. Accrued expenses was already saved as liability of 200,000. So now we are clearing up that liability. That's why it's debit. In the label, I'll just copy and paste the same reference. Make sure you remove the extra spaces, and on the debit, we have 200,000. Just write 200,000 here, and it's paid by cash. So all set. Click on post, and now it's posted. If you want to check the chart of accounts, just go to the configuration and click on chart of accounts. And here we have the accrued expenses under 2 category because all the liabilities starts from 2. So this is accrued expenses. If you want to see the balance, click on view, and the balance is nil now. If you want to check the details, click here, and you can see, first of all, the accrued expenses was added as an opening balance and now it's cleared up. So this is the complete ledger. And that's how we pay for the accrued expenses or bills payable from the last year in Odoo. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.